Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. But be careful, almost 80% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So, here is the task. What does this sign tell drivers? Number 1, narrow bridge. Number 2, truck route ahead. Number 3, steep hill. Number 4, limited height clearance. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This sign provides the maximum height allowed for vehicles under an overpass, bridge, or tunnel. Vehicles taller than the indicated height must not enter, or they may crash into the structure. It is critical for drivers of trucks, RVs, and other tall vehicles to read and obey this sign to avoid serious damage or accidents. So, the correct answer is number 4. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.